Creating a website has never been easier than this before. With simple prompts, you can easily create a website using some pipe coding tools. But I haven't found a lot of tools which can create a website using a WordPress. I came across a tool called GreenGeeks, which is a hosting platform where you can easily create a WordPress website using their AI-powered tools. So let me show you how you can create your own WordPress website using GreenGeeks. Let's get started. So what is GreenGeeks? So GreenGeeks offers a lot of things like creating a website using an AI website builder, hosting a WordPress website, and you can just use BPS hosting, and they offer a lot of things. But today I'm going to talk about the WordPress, so how you can create a WordPress website using AI on their platform. So first of all, so you just need to go into this greengeeks.com and go to this WordPress section or hosting for WordPress, and then if you click on see plans, so they have three plans: Lite, Pro and Premium. So if you use the Lite, so you can just host one website and get 25 GB of web space, but if you get Pro, so you'll get 4.95 and unlimited websites. I will provide the link into the description, so you'll get some discount with my link, and once you do that, you are good to go. So suppose if you choose Pro, click on get started. So if you don't have your domain name, so you can just type your domain name, suppose demo or whatever is available, and you can choose .com, .net, .org or whatever. And if you already have a domain name, so you can just click here and type your domain name, and once you click next, so you'll be able to set up your domain. So once you choose your domain, if you have already, so for me, I'll just choose my domain later and enter your information. So once you do that, so just log in into your account. So you'll see according to the hosting plan you have taken, you will see something here. And if you have taken some domain, you will see on the website, and in hosting plan, so you'll see whatever hosting plan you have taken. So since I have taken this one, so they provided me this one. So if I click on manage, so once you click on manage, so you will see this WordPress here. So click on WordPress and click on install and manage. So if you click on install, so you'll see three options. So WordPress with AI powered capability, and this is just a basic WordPress. And if you want to build the e-commerce website, so you can just choose the WooCommerce as well. The easiest one, I'll go with the WordPress plus AI. Click on select, and so if you have set up the domain, so it'll show the domain, and you can choose from multiple one if you have multiple. So you have to choose the username, so just type your username, so just give the valid email, and just type your password, and just type your admin email as well. And once you click on install, so it at least needs 8-character password, so I'll put 8-character and install the WordPress. So this will install the WordPress. So once you do that, let's see, it'll say it'll take some moment, and here you can see all set, let's go. And here you can see on installations, the WordPress 7.0.2 has been installed. So if you click on WordPress admin dashboard, this will pop up with something like this UI. So here now you can type whatever website you want. Suppose I want photography portfolio website, so this is giving as an example, but you can say something like I want to build a personal portfolio website. So let's give some information: name Arjun, experience 5 years in software engineering, location Kathmandu, Nepal. Or you just keep on adding the information and click on next. So this will start creating a website for you automatically, so you don't need to do a lot of tasks here. Let's wait and see what does this create. So now you can see your site is ready, and it has created something like highlighting 5 years of software engineering, discover more. So you can change a lot of things here: testimonial, contact, it even gave some Nepali name. So so it has created pretty much it. And you can also replace the photo. Suppose if I want to generate with AI, so suppose a male programmer writing code, so let's generate it. Let's use this image, so you can see so how easy it is. So it already replaced with this one, so it has already added all these things. And here you see, so if you click here, so on the top, so you can change the website color, website style. So suppose if you click on website style, so it will give you different options. So if you click on change website animation, so it will give you a lot of animation. So pretty much you can do anything from here. So suppose if I want to change something from here, John Doe, and save, so this will save immediately. So suppose I want to make some changes. I don't want this one, so instead of this I want to change my name, the name. So you can pretty much change anything from here. So now if I go here and click on this URL, so pretty much even if I open it on my incognito tab, so you can see the good looking website here. So you can change as much as you want. But this is a basic demo of how quickly you can create a website using a WordPress. So from here, if you go to WordPress admin, so from here now you can add the pages, and also you can add a lot of things, like you can change the themes. So pretty much you can change anything. So if you customize it from here, so you can do a lot. So you can see from here you can even customize the style, the navigation, and all those things. So this is how you create a website using quick and easy AI powered GreenGeeks feature. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.